Hi, welcome to this video, Dave, which is on one of the greatest investment books ever written, which is Reminiscences of a Stock Operator. And it's a fictionalised account of the great speculator Jessie Livermore. First published in 1923, it's probably the most widely recommended investment book for traders to read. And it is a fantastic book. And the reason it's so good is because it really does give you an insight into how to, basically control your emotions and what happens when they get out of control. It's very good on learning, why trading is so easy to learn, and yet why so few traders actually make money. Jessie Livermore, he made $1 million fortunes several times over, and eventually he lost all his money. He tried to rebuild it again and he lost his money. So he was a great speculator, but he could never conquer his emotions. He eventually committed suicide and shot himself. And he was actually a manic depressive. And the book, really is a fantastic read. One of Jessie Livermore's favourite books as well was Charles Mackay's Extraordinary Popular Delusions and Madness of Crowds, which is another book I would have on my recommended reading list. And, what the books give you is an insight into market behaviour which never changes. So today markets are still ruled by greed and fear, just as they were in the 1900s. There is no sort of technological way of beating the market. Trading is all about emotional control and trading with discipline. Just to show you how little the markets have changed since the 1900s, I've just picked out 6 of my favourite quotes from Reminiscences of a Stock Operator. There are actually many more, but I've just narrowed it to 6 here. And I'm just going to play out with them and my thoughts on the quotes. And you'll see just how little markets have changed, and that if you can actually gain emotional control, you can make a lot of money trading. So I hope you enjoy my quotes, and here they are now, my top 6 quotes from Reminiscences of a Stock Operator. It was never thinking that made the big money for me. It always was my sitting. Got that? My sitting tight. I think this is an excellent quote. Most traders trade too much. If you learn to be patient, you'll not only increase your potential for profit, you'll reduce your risk, and you'll spend a lot less time on your trading and be less stressed at the same time. So always be patient and wait for the best high odds opportunities. They say you never grow poor taking profits. No, you don't, but neither do you grow rich taking a 4-point profit. This is an excellent quote, really, because in Forex trading today, traders are always trying to scalp small profits, or they cut their profits too soon. You will never ever make a lot of money at Forex trading unless you run big profits. So you need to have your profits cover your losses, and that means having the courage and conviction to stay with those big trades. A man must believe in himself and his judgment if he expects to make a living at this game. That is why I don't believe in tips. The Forex market is full of people wanting to follow others, but you'll never get rich doing that. You need to basically have confidence in the trade that you put on. If you follow someone else, you'll never have the confidence to basically stay with it and make the profit. So always understand that if you do a trade, you must have inner conviction and confidence about it. A man does not swear eternal allegiance to either the bull or the bear side. His concern lies with being right. You get many traders who actually fall in love with one side of the trade, and they can't see trend changes coming, and they basically miss opportunities. In Forex trading, you need to be able to change your opinion quickly with the price action. So be a bull and a bear, and you'll make a lot more money than just playing one side of the market. Technology changes, but the laws of behaviour of the stock market will never change, because they're based on the emotions of human beings. I think this is a good quote, because since the book was published, we've seen no end of technological changes and complexity come into the markets. But has the ratio of winners to losers changed? No, it hasn't. It still remains the same as it did when the book was first written, and will always remain the same, because Forex trading cannot be reduced to technology. It's very much a human game, and basically you need to think to win. So never think that a computer can do better than you. A loss never bothers me after I take it. I forgot it overnight. But being wrong, not taking the loss, that is what does the damage to the pocketbook and to the soul. Cutting losses, we all know that it's the key to success. I just like the way this quote neatly sums it up, that if you do take a loss, you do forget it very quickly. But if you do run a loss, obviously, you'll end up losing a lot of money, and it does, psychologically hurt you. So always remember to take those losses quickly and forget them. They're my 6 favourite quotes from Reminiscences of a Stock Operator. I hope you enjoyed them. Thank you and have a good day.